This matter was adjourned 18th, 19th, 20th. And my Lord made on the last adjourned day, that was in November, saying that on the 18th, we are all coming to take all the whole applications that has to do with challenging the competency of the charge and jurisdiction of the matter, the court to hear the matter, his bail application, and his application to transfer him from DSSS to Correctional Center. So these three applications was letter on the 18th. While we are waiting on the 18th for us to commence the business of the court, the prosecution, in order to truncate the date, serve us 15 purported amended charges on that 17th at the close of work around 4 or 5 p.m. So when we now came to court on the 18th, we now said that, my Lord, we cannot proceed because Nnamdi Kanu has not even seen the amended charge for us to advise him for him to take the plea. So based on that, court now gave us today that we should discuss with Nnamdi Kanu. That was yesterday and come today. Now we came today. So when we came today, that yesterday, after reading the charge, we discovered that the charge is empty. We discovered that the charge is a duplicate of those charges that my Lord has already struck out. That was what they duplicated, split, and incorporated in the name of charge. To an extent that they said that his comment led to the killing of Gulag in Imo State. That his comment led to the destruction of Lagos by NSAS. You can see such a confused couple of charges they brought in. But be that as it may, we filed no supreme objection challenging the decision of the court. My Lord, you cannot. There is nothing before you. There is no charge before you. The competency of the charge and the decision of my Lord to hear the matter. So you cannot proceed to hearing. As I speak to you, they said that Nnamdi Kanu want to invade the government, want to do this thing with gun. We are expected them to serve us the proof of service, the gun, the proof of evidence. Charge before you talk about whether there will be trial or not. Based on that, my Lord saw reason with based on that, my Lord saw reason with us and adjourned the matter that yes, he must first of all. My Lord said that he must first of all to ascertain whether there is a charge before him. That one is one. Two, having ascertained whether there is a charge before him, whether he has a jurisdiction to hear the matter before we talk about trial, that he don't want to waste his time. So he gave us 16th of February by 1 p.m. to hear the motion. After hearing the motion, he will hear the motion. That's no supreme before he talk about his bail. Of course, you know that Nnamdi Kanu never jumped bail. Yes. Nnamdi Kanu was in his house when he was granted bail. The military, in the name of Operation Python Dance, came with the armored car on his house on the 11th of September 2017. Yes. Then after viewing, they came back on the 14th. After the viewing on the 11th, they came back on the 14th and they invaded his house, killed about 28 persons. And today, High Court in Umai has declared that invasion not avoid, and that Nnamdi Kanu's right was violated, and awarded 1 billion naira against the DSSS and federal government in favor of Nnamdi Kanu. But we are not even talking about the money. At least we have judges and court that can uphold to justice. So now that shows you that Nnamdi Kanu never jumped bail. It's only a living that can stand for trial. They kept to kill him and decided to run away. I hear what I'm saying, for his life. And we also deposed an affidavit when he was in Israel that he's ready to come and face his trial if the court can guarantee his safety. Those motions are still pending before the court, only for them to kidnap him in Kenya, abducted him and brought him into this country through extraordinary rendition. So that is where we are today.
Okay,
so
thank you.
For me to add, what happened outside? Shore came in solidarity for Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes. Okay. And I'm sorry, sir. Please, can you tell us your name?
My name is Sonny Ayanwu.
Go ahead.
I'm one of the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu.
Okay.
Shore came in solidarity, as usual. He normally comes. This is not the first time or second time. Now, one of the security men on Mufti move out his dagger to kill Shore. The supporters of Nnamdi Kanu rushed and rescued Shore. Shore, you all know Shore, is a popular figure.
Yes, the founder of Sahara Reporter.
Of course, and one of the presidential candidates before. So they rescued Shore and put him in a moving vehicle for him to move. Shure now, as I speak to you now, Shure life has been spared by God. The same security men, army, police, immigration, civil defense started shooting at the supporters of Nnamdi Kanu, and they shot 2 persons on the leg with tear gas. All of us were just recovering from the tear gas. I don't know what is happening in this country. We don't know. The court day and day is vindicating Nnamdi Kanu, just like the one they did in the Federal High Court in Umaya. So I don't know what is happening. All what we're trying to say is this: if you feel that Nnamdi Kanu has committed an offense, try him fairly, using the instrumentality of the law, the Nigerian law we have. Try him fairly. If at the end you find him guilty, punish him. If not, then give him every opportunity to defend himself. Nnamdi Kanu is entitled to supporters. And these supporters that came, they are not armed, chanting songs. And they're far away from the court. Far away from the court. So the court cannot even hear what the song they are singing. I don't know what is happening. We should be told what is happening in this country. What has the Aniboman done? So that's our problem.
Okay. Yeah, thank you for your audience.
Okay, for your audience. Okay. We really appreciate it.
Okay, no problem.
We have come for the end of today. Let's update about Nnamdi Kanu trial. We are here from the barristers who are saying that the court is
Let's go.
going to draft from the court again. Please, the person is reporting. It's Mazi Manuel Obonina for Upload Viewers. Please stay tuned while you wait for February 16th.
We just grant an interview to one of IPOP lawyer, Maswell Okpara and others. So we are heading aside to see what is happening. Excuse me, excuse.
Why